We're recording the sewer line here at 5027 9th Avenue Northeast. The date is May 1st, 2020. Recording this from the toilet flange in the downstairs basement bathroom. What we're looking at here is about 100 feet out, the Seattle City main line that's running up and down 9th Avenue Northeast. I'm going to be pulling back from here to get a look at the sewer line. I'll show you the work that Bob Oates did. And we'll come back and take a look at the work that's been done to the line. So, main line sewer down there, Seattle City responsibility, coming back into the homeowner responsibility here. See a small clay concrete transition, or it's a clay pipe we're in, no concrete. 6-inch clay pipe here, coming back towards the house now. So there are a number of large roots down here that were blocking up the sewer. We've cut out, I'd say 99% of them. This is what looks like could be a break in the top of the pipe allowing this root to come in, because this was a massive root ball, and that's as much as we could get out of the line without breaking or doing any further damage to the pipe. So we jetted that spot for nearly an hour, well, probably over an hour, just sitting on that one root ball. I had a before video that shows how massive that thing was, and that's the after video. So that will need to continue to be maintenanced, or it needs to be dug up and fixed in the street, section of pipe cut out and repaired. I'm going to keep pulling back here. We're still in 6-inch clay, and you see these seams every 3 feet. These seams are what allows the roots to come in. So we're coming back into concrete pipe now. So we're doing a concrete clay transition. This concrete pipe is old and worn. It has seen better days. Somebody's running water in here, or they were running a shower or something, so it's a little foggy, but the line is all open. The concrete is just very well worn. There's the 4x6 sewer transition, so 6-inch diameter pipe here, coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. So this is 4-inch diameter concrete, transitioning into 4-inch ABS plastic. Somebody's installed a small repair here at some point of ABS plastic, a few feet of ABS. This has not what Bob Oates did. That was done prior to us getting here. Coming back into more worn concrete 4-inch pipe. So this, again, this 4-inch concrete pipe is very worn and will need to be maintenanced or replaced or relined sooner than later. Should be coming back into the Bob Oates repair here shortly. So here's our Bob Oates installed repair. We are going to install a maintenance clean out in this spot as well. But right now it's just a repair, a chunk of pipe that we've replaced. Was broken right here, which was the immediate need for concern and the immediate need for us to come out here and fix it. So it was on a turn. The turn had worn out and broken. We're going to have a clean out coming up off that left side of it's on the right side of the screen right now, but it's the left side of the pipe. There's going to be a clean out access coming up over there by the stairs on that side of the house. So coming back into more concrete pipe now. And again, somebody's running water upstairs, so a little bit of water flowing along the pipe, but that just shows you that it's open and everything's flowing. There's the turn coming back into cast iron, so here's the cast iron to concrete transition. This is just outside the house here. On the side, we're coming back into cast iron, which is what's running underneath the house. And we're coming back up out of the toilet flange. So there's our toilet flange that we were working from today. Again, this is the basement of 5027 9th Avenue Northeast. Bob Oates is now done with their part of the work. Just need to inspect